Alright gardeners, it's time to get our hands dirty. Today I'm sharing my top tips on how to pest-proof your garden before spring. Let's dive right in. First up, clean up your garden. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Remove any dead plants, fallen leaves, or debris that might be hiding pests. You don't want to give them a cozy winter home, right? Think of it as prepping your garden bed for a fresh start. Next, let's talk about barriers. Physical barriers like row covers can be a gardener's best friend. They keep pests out while still letting sunlight and moisture in. Plus, they're super easy to install. Just make sure you secure them tightly to avoid any sneaky invaders. Now, on to companion planting. This is one of my favorite tricks. Planting certain flowers and herbs alongside your veggies can naturally repel pests. For example, marigolds are great for deterring nematodes, and basil can help keep mosquitoes at bay. Not only does it protect your plants, but it also adds some beautiful diversity to your garden. Speaking of diversity, crop rotation is key. Planting the same crops in the same spot every year can attract pests that are specific to those plants. By rotating your crops, you're disrupting their life cycles and keeping them guessing. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Let's not forget about beneficial insects. Ladybugs, lacewings, and spiders are your allies. They prey on the pests that harm your plants. Consider planting nectar-rich flowers to attract these helpful insects to your garden. It's like having a natural pest control team. Another great tip is using organic pest control methods. Neem oil, insecticidal soaps, and diatomaceous earth are all effective and safe for your plants and the environment. Plus, they're easy to find at your local garden center. Just follow the instructions carefully for the best results. Finally, keep an eye on your soil health. Healthy soil equals healthy plants, which are more resistant to pests. Regularly add compost and mulch to enrich the soil and retain moisture. This creates a thriving environment for your plants and a less attractive one for pests. So there you have it. With a little preparation and these simple tips, you can keep those pesky pests at bay and ensure a bountiful garden come spring. Happy gardening, everyone! If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening goodness. See you in the next video.